Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T15 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. It's essential to work in a well-lit area. First, turn off your Dyson V10 vacuum and unplug it from any charging source. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press the button firmly and slide the battery pack upwards to remove it from the main body. If you find it difficult, a flathead screwdriver can help gently pry it loose without damaging the casing. Once the battery is removed, take a moment to clean the battery compartment. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that might have accumulated inside. This step is crucial as it ensures optimal contact for the new battery. Now, let's prepare to install the new battery. Align the new battery pack with the grooves in the vacuum body. Slide it down until you hear a click, which indicates it's securely in place. Ensure it is seated properly to avoid any issues. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. You can easily arrange for pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Plus, you won't need to make any calls or travel to a repair shop. After installing the new battery, it's a good idea to charge it fully before first use. Plug the vacuum back in and allow it to charge for at least 3.5 hours. This will help maximize the battery's lifespan and performance. While waiting for the battery to charge, take the opportunity to clean the vacuum filters. Remove the filter located at the top of the machine and wash it under cold water. Make sure it's completely dry before putting it back. This helps maintain suction power and overall efficiency. If you experience any issues during the process, feel free to reach out for assistance. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about your vacuum. Once the battery is fully charged, your Dyson V10 is ready to be used again. Test it on various surfaces to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you notice any performance issues, it might be time to consider further diagnostics. In summary, replacing the battery in your Dyson V10 vacuum is a straightforward task if you follow these steps carefully. Remember, proper maintenance and timely battery replacement can greatly extend the life of your device. If you prefer to have professionals handle it, don't hesitate to reach out for our convenient services. We're here to help you keep your vacuum in top shape. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.